Hey there, I'm Nader, the musical nomad. I'm all about two things, music and travel. I'm a professional drummer and singer-songwriter, and I play the big stages and streets alike. I channel the fusion of these passions. It's a travel vlog with a musical twist. So if you want to come along, jump on board and subscribe. Welcome to Blue City. Wow.
Very blue here, man. Almost got the blues.
Yeah, everything is built really tightly, and most buildings are painted blue or at least bright so they can keep them cool inside.
I've heard quite a few stories why this part of Jodhpur is referred to as the Blue City. One legend has it that the so-called Brahmins, the priestly class, began painting their houses blue as a means of distinction and to signify their social status. This practice is believed to have originated during the rule of a guy called Maharaja Man Singh to replicate the color of the sky, thereby symbolizing their connection to the divine.
Taking a tuk-tuk back to town. I'm standing at the entrance of the Gandhagar, the Clocktower of Jodhpur. It is located right at the Sardar Market, the ancient Sardar Market, the heart of Jodhpur. It's the second largest city in Rajasthan. 1 million people live here, a little over 1 million.
Entry is 100 rupees for foreigners. Indians paid 25.
Can you change?
That's the only one I have. Sorry. Is it not good anymore?
Check out the view from the top of this here clock tower. It was built in 1910.
Walkways are tiny. Up here, you have the clockwork, so no view here. I don't know, man, 100 rupees for a stairwell.
When you have a little bit of a view from a quarter up.
That is me in front of the famous clock tower of Jodhpur. Nobody's trying to scam me. Nobody wants my money. Nobody's even talking to me. Most people don't even look at me, to be honest. Very refreshing.
What a vibe.
The waiters don't speak English, and if you have special wishes like I have as a vegan, they mostly ask the boss to help. The boss comes and recommends a dish to me, kher sangari, which is supposedly a typical Rajasthani dish. And at the end of the order, he tells his waiter, no fucking ghee, no fucking butter, no fucking oil. And then he's like looking at me, yeah, you have to tell him like that, otherwise they don't clear their ram. So this dish consists out of two main ingredients. One is kher, a berry that grows on a thorny shrub, and sangri, on the other hand, are bean-like pods of the kejari tree.
Very rich spice, interesting texture too.
I love discovering new veggies. It's really good. That was yummy!
This place was built in 1740. This is the famous Stepwell of Jodhpur that once served as a water source for the city. Look at the architecture. How beautiful is that? That is much more spectacular than the fort, to be honest. Plenty of fish in there. People are actually swimming in that thing.
That's a really nice place to chill out at. Not so many people. It's nice and cool. Sit on the stairs, just enjoy life here, man.